জায়গা
तो माना बंग
सभी बुझे तोरा हमारे इधर एक कट्टा हो गया इसलिए जो
स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे हम दागदार में पकड़ते हैं।
चल
আমরা স্বাধীনতার ৭৫তম স্বাধীনতা দিবস পালন করতে যাচ্ছি। So as a part of 75 years of glorious Independence Day, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we are gathered here under this Champahour.P to conduct one activity called Run for Drugs Free Society. It is a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and it is a symbolic activity through which we are trying to give one message to the youngster of this area to remain abstain from drug abuse and remain free, fit and physically active. We want to give this message to all the young fraternity of this area to do physical activities, participate in games and sports to remain drugs free always. Thank you.